I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe and accessible. Turn off power and remove batteries so you won't damage the tester. Next, switch the continuity tester to the continuity or lowest ohms range and touch leads together to confirm a beep or zero reading. Once done, identify the two test points and place probes with firm contact on exposed conductors or component leads. You want a steady connection, not a grazing touch, so the instrument can give a reliable reading. You now probe through the part of the circuit you're checking, holding probes steady to avoid intermittent readings. If the tester beeps or the meter shows approximately 0 to 2 ohms, you've got a closed path. That's how you confirm continuity. Conversely, a silence or an overload/high resistance reading means the path is open. When reading resistance, make sure components like diodes or capacitors are isolated because they can block current. Remove or disconnect them if you need a pure. You finish by repeating any unclear tests and then restoring power only when all checks are safe. Once done, verify suspicious areas by probing from alternate access points or removing one component at a time to isolate faults. Make sure to retest after repairs. That confirms you restored the intended path. If readings stay open, consider common fixes. Clean corrosion, tighten loose connectors, or reflow cold solder joints. These actions often restore continuity without replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.